Gracias y disfrute su paseo en Falcon's Fury.
Welcome to Falcon's Fury. This ride by its very nature of Falcon's Fury. All Busch articles must be left with a non-rider or placed in a locker.
Hell no, don't get up. Falcon's Fury.
Get the fuck out of here. It's always too scary on the way up. It's way down is not as scary.
Do you see down top up there?
Welcome back.
Se desconectará momentáneamente. Por favor, recupere su paso transversal. Recupere su
What the heck? How you just do a day side? What the heck? Oh, but yo, watch me. Oh, deal. Not gonna lie, I can see it leaning from. Oh, yo, that's nice. But when is this gonna stop? Oh shit, we done here. Are we there yet? I quit. I'm not doing this. Where's the boy? It's way higher than it looks. Ah! It's way higher than it looks. No! No! Ah! Ah! Yo, give me up in this shit. Yo, no. No, no, no,
Welcome back. Your harness and lap belt will unlock momentarily. Please watch your step as you exit, retrieve any personal belongings from the boxes, and follow the arrows to the exit. Thank you for riding Falcon's Fury, and enjoy the rest of your day in Busch Gardens.
Bienvenidos a su arnés y cinturón de seguridad. Por favor, recupere su paso transversal. Recupere sus pertenencias personales en las cajas y siga después